I would like to welcome you to the Sheet0 beta launch series, from website to live spreadsheet in just minutes. If you're still copy-pasting from websites into Excel, you're wasting hours that you will never get back. And this is why I wanted to share with you how you can turn any public web page into a clean, analysis-ready spreadsheet in just minutes using Sheet0. No code, no scrapers, no setup. And the best part is that, unlike any other AI scraper tools, this one is 100% accurate with zero hallucinations. I'll be demonstrating with a real example case and show you exactly how this tool works. But if you're still completely unfamiliar as to what Sheet0 is, it's an AI data agent. And you essentially tell it what table you want in just plain English, and then it will help you plan the steps, navigates pages just like a human being would, extracts the fields, cleans them up, and gives you a standardized sheet that you can filter, chart, and export. It is the first L4 level data agent that translates natural language goals into a full data workflow. And once again, it's 100% accurate. If it can't verify a field, it will not make one up. You approve the plan before it runs, and if a site needs a human click, like a certain login or something similar, you will get a quick takeover prompt within the workflow. You do the human click and then let the agent continue. Now, Sheet0 is not made just for one role. If you touch any web data, you will get value. It's made for product managers who need competitor tracking, release rundowns, pricing matrices, etc. It's designed for growth and marketing who monitor markets, campaigns, or social proof, data analysts and ops who automate messy web-to-sheet workflows, or sales or rev ops who need fast lists and firmographic snapshots. Now, founders, agencies, researchers, anyone who wants structured data without writing scrapers will benefit from Sheet0. But for this video, I'm going to focus the demo on a product manager case, because PMs use Sheet0 heavily for market research and competitive tracking. You will get real data without waiting on devs, and this angle is the point. So the goal of this demo is to pull all the posts from a specific X account during a fixed time window and structure them with fields that you can analyze: date, full text, ticker mentions, category, sentiment, all of that. And of course, the actual post's URL. This is a simple blueprint for market and product signals. You can track what a key voice in your space says over a month, tag the content, and summarize the themes. The same pattern will work for competitors, KOLs, or your own brand monitoring. And the way you would go around this is that in Sheet0 you want to start a new task and then type something like this. If you already have the profile URL, you can include it, but if not, Sheet0 can find it from the handle. And then you confirm the auto plan, as Sheet0 will break down your requests into subtasks, and you will see exactly what's happening onto the left side of the screen. So as you can see, it says it will start collecting data from the X account that I provided, and then it will start populating it into a table onto the right side that you can see right here. You will be seeing the table populate in real time. And if the account has heavy activity, then no worries, Sheet0 handles infinite scrolling and pagination for you. As the rows land, you can already sort by date and skim the first few entries to check the field quality. If you need an extra column, you can also add it, and then the agent will fill it as it goes. Now, when the run finishes, you can scan the sentiment if you would like to. Are the negative labels actually negative? Skim through categories. Does the news type look consistent? Delivery update versus recall or pricing. You can edit any rows that you need to, and if you see a pattern of things that you need to edit, then you simply tweak the prompt and rerun only the classification step to fix anything that you want to change. Once again, the crazy thing about Sheet0 is that it gives you 100% accuracy with zero hallucinations. So every data that you see on the screen is actually trustworthy. And then you can start analyzing right in the table, as you can do your PM work in just minutes. Filter by date, group by mentioned tickers to see which topics dominated, filter the sentiment to see the negative ones and find risks. And finally, you can export to CSV file or Excel file for your internal doc or dashboard. If you need teammates to see the full run, you can share the task link so they can review the process and the output all in one place. And that's it, from a public profile to a clean, labeled spreadsheet in just a few minutes. You didn't have to build any scrapers, you didn't have to babysit a browser, and of course, you did not need to do endless copy-pasting. Now, this same workflow supports other high-leverage PM tasks, such as competitor tracking, as you can monitor the updates, feature pages, pricing pages, release notes, and consolidate your changes into one table that you can review weekly. You can also run IDF validation, as you can collect comparable products, pricing tiers, and review snippets to size pain and willingness to pay. Now let's go ahead and see how Sheet0 compares against real alternatives. And for that, we've got a tool like Browse AI, and it is a point and click robots that pull data from a page into Google Sheets or CSV. It's good for simple repeatable scrapes. But you want to stick to Sheet0 if you don't want to design a robot or fiddle with selectors. You simply describe the outcome in plain English, and then Sheet0 will plan the steps, navigates the site like a real person, and hands you a clean table. It validates fields, won't hallucinate values, and gives you a confirmation pass before exporting. If the site or layout changes, Sheet0 adapts without you rebuilding a bot. And the result is less setup, fewer broken runs, and cleaner output. Another alternative is Apify, and that one is a powerful developer platform for scraping at scale. Actors, proxies, schedulers, APIs. If you have engineers and want to build scrapers as code, this one is excellent. As where Sheet0 is better, I would say it's non-dev speed. No actor to maintain, no proxy config, no schema to handcraft. Again, you just simply state the goal and Sheet0 will break it into simple tasks and steps, crawls, cleans, and returns a standardized table that you can export in just one click. If you need answers today without writing or maintaining scrapers, Sheet0 is the simpler path. So in conclusion, is Sheet0 worth it? Again, if your goal is from website to a clean spreadsheet in just minutes with no coding required, then absolutely yes. You get clean data by default, it handles real websites, fast to export, easy to reuse. It's a great fit for multiple roles, as the analysts can get clean data without copy pasting, marketers and founders can track markets and competitors, and PMs can validate ideas or monitor features across competitor sites, all with one agent. So if you want to try Sheet0, go ahead and sign up with the invite code from the description or join their Discord to get access. You will find both links below so you can get in and follow along in just minutes. Thanks so much for watching. We're excited to have you as part of our beta launch series. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comments down below, or once again, join the Discord server and we'll answer them directly. See you guys in the next video.